Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope everyone is fine. So, we will be talking about a new concept. It's actually an old concept, but this is coming back to the construction industry. Okay, this was totally ignored at a time because we were going towards the trends of artificial construction. Now it's going to be natural again. We use a term of sustainable buildings or sustainable development or sustainable construction or green construction. So all these terms are almost same, and the meaning of these terms is we will be using environmentally good material, economically good material, and long lasting material. So if any material that is having all these qualities of where the environmental impact is zero, where the uh, economical saving is maximum, and where the life of building is much more. Okay, so here you can see that we are using these this rubble masonry for the construction of this wall. Actually, it was supposed to be an RCC wall here, but instead of using that RCC, you know that RCC, the steel and cement do have a huge impact over our environment and also our economy. So we can say that using RCC is uneconomical and is having a negative impact over our buildings. So here you can see that we are using this rubble masonry. The available stone on this site has been used instead of using cement, concrete, and steel. Okay, so that is how we have got two different benefits. The number first is the naturally available stone has been used, so it's going to be sustainable because this stone is having a very minimum impact. The stone mining is having a very minimum impact over the construction, over the environment of this building. Okay, we were supposed to be mining this stone and just dumping it on any other side, but instead of dumping it on any other side, we have reutilized it. So this was the sustainable construction. The second thing is, instead of using RCC, the steel and concrete, which are too much economical these days, which are too much expensive these days, hasn't been used here, and instead of steel and concrete we have used this rubble masonry. So this way we have saved almost 60 to 65% of the wall budget, which was supposed to be 100% in case if you would have used RCC buildings. Okay, so this is what we call the sustainability, and this is what we call the engineering sense of any person, because we could have used RCC wall, which is the normal construction, but instead of normal construction we have used the old concepts, which is actually the new concept, because you can see that the RCC columns are here, and over these RCC columns we are going to use RCC beams. So a frame will be made, and to fill that frame we have used the naturally available stone. So this is how we can save the economy, we can save our environment, and the fact is this is the need of time that we do need to go to towards the sustainable development. Otherwise we are going to lose the environment we do have. Okay, and day by day we are losing the environment we do have. We all do know about the climate changes, the different problems that we are facing because of, specifically because of the construction. Like as per one of the report that we are almost 21% of the climate changes are because of the construction industry. Okay, like the construction industry include the cement, the steel, and all those things. So 21% of the climate changes are due to the construction. So if that is the change, then we do need to go toward these trends. And one of the biggest and good use of naturally available things, the naturally available stone, is you can use it in walls. Okay, so I wanted to share it with you that how can we go towards the sustainable development. I hope you would have loved it, specifically the designers, and they can recommend the use of these stones at different sites if you do have it in on your site. Thank you very much, and see you in any other video. Please do share your comments regarding this, and also if you do have experience, share that as well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.